We're at our Texas location. It's 7 a.m. and we're getting ready to get to work, so let's go.
Hey, good morning, this is Rob Hall. It's a sunny day in beautiful Texas, about 7 a.m. and we're starting to load some of the things that we recently purchased. Come on, I'll show you a little bit about what we got. You know, we buy and sell electrical, mechanical, rigging, steel erector equipment. So we've got a couple of Greenlee 555 benders here. We've got all the shoes and roller supports that go with it. Come on this way and we'll show you some more. This is an example of cable reel stands that we purchased. We've got several more over here, mechanical benders. Tim and JR are loading up these NAT game boxes that we take back to our yard in South Carolina, refurbish, repaint, and get them ready for you to put on a job site in very good condition, very usable, at about half price of what new ones sell for. You can also see in the back here, we've got several, we've got a pipe threading machine, a rigid 535. We've got a couple of more Greenlee triple nickels or sidewinder runners, Ingersoll Rand air tuggers. We've got the rigid tri-stands, that's one of our best sellers. On these pallets back here, more in the game boxes, as well as tri-stands that do PVC coated conduit with the brass jaws. Beam clamps, the rigid hog head threaders at 6-inch and up to 4-inch. So we're excited about this purchase and we're looking forward to showing you some more things as the day goes along. Yeah, we already loaded some of these game boxes up with the sockets, combination wrenches, and so the forklift is taking them out, put them in an area where we can load the flatbed truck that we've got coming in with all the game boxes, headed back to South Carolina for refurbishing.
This is the container we purchased. We've got to clean it up a little bit and get more stuff in it, but it's got cages in it already, so this will be a great container to clean up, paint, and put right back out on the job site.
So we've got what's called a covered wagon, which a lot of electricians and mechanical contractors use them for storing their conduit and pipe fittings and electrical fittings, etc. So these are set up with shelving. Some of them have air conditioning, and every one of them's for sale. We've got them from 16-footers up to 24-footers, and these nice equipment trailers that are tandem axle. And we'll be making some really good deals on that. So let us know if we can help you. We're now in the fab shop here in Texas, and here's a great example of a highly desirable pipe fabricating welding machine that we purchased. It's a Miller Pipe Pro 450. We bought 15 of them. Some of them are mounted on these carts with a number 36 NAT gang box, so you can store all your welding supplies and you can move your machine from different work environment, work cells, to another work cell. Another Pipe Pro, and here's an example of some things that we do buy, are test pumps. So we've got pneumatic test pumps here. Actually, we've already quoted this 10,000-pound PDQ test pump to a customer yesterday afternoon. So multiple generators, 6,000 and 5,500 watt. This is a weld wire pipe positioner. So it has both tilt and turn capacity. It's got a 12-inch chuck on it, a speed control. Every fab shop has these, so we're glad to be able to offer this here for sale. Another Pipe Pro. We sell a variety of rod ovens. This is a 100-pound rod oven here. We sell 10s, 50s, 100s, 300s, and 450-pound rod ovens, not only for the field guys, but also to be used in a shop. Again, another pipe pro. This is a Preston Easton, another positioner, tilt and turn, both of them. So we'll be offering this for sale. This has speed control as well. Rigid 535 pipe threading machine. You can sort of see the condition that we buy them in, but when we're done, if you check out our website, you'll be able to see what a 535 from General Equipment and Supply looks like, with a 1-year warranty, parts, labor. And we're proud of what we do with 535 pipe threading machines. This is a rigid 300 power drive. You can buy them just the head and stand, or you can also buy them with the reamer, cutter, carriage, and die head. So we sell a lot of those for the pipe fitters and plumbing contractors. Over here we've got a Kalamazoo bandsaw and conveyor. So you bring the pipe in from the fab shop outside, slide it in, cut it in the sections you need to cut it in. We have that available. Come over here, and we've got another pipe pro set up on the cart. Here we've got 2 LJ welding adjustable up and down pipe positioners with 16-inch chucks on them. We've got the variable speed control. These are late model 2014 units, so we're excited to be able to offer these for sale. Here's a Valley bandsaw that cuts up to 10-inch rounds. So not a common bandsaw that you would find in construction, but more in fab facilities. Another of the LJ welding pipe positioners. Got another pipe pro. This is a rigid, another 535 pipe threading machine. We've got a pretty big drill press here made by Wilton. It's a model VSG 20. 300-pound rod ovens here, and this is a 3/4-inch plasma cutter. So if you're familiar with what plasma cutters do. So anyway, that's available as well. So in this shop, those are the items that we've purchased, and we're getting ready to move them out of here. Hey Rick, how you doing?
Been selling all kinds of equipment today. Notice he's on the phone again. Just selling everything we've got.
If anybody had a chance to come today, that would be great, but we'll accommodate whatever way you want us to do it. So all they got to do is call me and tell me when they want to come, and we'll roll out the red carpet.
Sounds good, Rob. Let me get some things working here, and I'll be back in touch.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Stacy.
Thank you. Bye.
Yep, got a customer here in Freeport that's interested in some things that we just purchased, so hopefully they'll be sending some of their guys over here today and tomorrow. First load, headed northbound to Houston. Good job, team. Woohoo! So we've loaded all these boxes. These are the NAC number 119 print shacks. We've got the NAC number 89. Obviously, Joe Box makes an equal. Some of these are Joe Box. Joe boxes, but these boxes are full of chain hoists, beam clamps, all types of rigging. We've got Greenlee tools and rigid power drives and die heads and hog head threaders that are in these boxes that are going to be headed back to South Carolina to be refurbished and resold to our customer base throughout the United States, as well as the boxes. The boxes are going to be gone through in our fab shop, through our remanufacturing shop, so that when they're done, we actually paint them a company color at no additional cost for a lot of customers. We paint them back original NAC brown or Joe Box burgundy for customers who don't have a preference. But we've got a tremendous amount of items here. Like I said earlier, we've also got shackles in here. We've got instrumentation, lasers, levels, sockets, combination wrenches, just a variety of everything that electrical, mechanical, rigging, steel erector contractors use on a daily basis. So go General Equipment and Supply, buy from us at your earliest convenience, and we'll look forward to passing great deals on to you now and into the future. Buy General Equipment!
All right. All right,